Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the locale and time zone on your Google Sheets. So go to File, and then you are going to go to Settings. Under General, you can change the locale. This affects formatting details such as functions, dates, and currency. So I'm just gonna change it to Indonesia, and the time zone's already set. Then I'm just going to press save and reload, and hopefully some of the system will be in like the locale that you set it to, like the currency and function and etc. Because in America it's like the month goes first and then the date, but in Indonesia it's the date that goes first. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!